The far side of the moon is as yet unseen by human eyes. It has been photographed, but we haven't seen it with our own eyes. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will discover more information about the far side of the moon. In 1959, the Soviet Union's Luna 3 spacecraft took the first photographs of the moon's mysterious far side. The images were grainy and showed a region that was very different from what scientists had anticipated. We now know that this region is more heavily cratered than the near side, and has a thicker crust that is more resistant to space weathering. The most recent NASA mission to study this area was in 2008 when NASA launched LADEE, Lunar Atmosphere and Dust Environment Explorer, to investigate these mysteries up close. The benefits of a lunar mission to the far side of the moon are numerous. The most important one is to increase our understanding about the moon, which is a key piece in understanding how planets form. However, there are some risks that come with this mission. One risk is that it could be difficult for astronauts to return back from the far side of the moon if something goes wrong. Another risk is if something happens on Earth during this time, such as an asteroid hitting Earth or some other life-threatening event, then astronauts on the surface of the moon would not be able to get back home. NASA has been working on a project to land a rover on the far side of the moon, which is not as accessible as the near side. The space agency has been working with private companies to find ways to get there. They are also looking at new technologies that may be able to take them there safely. We finally know what happened to NASA's Lost probe on the far side of the moon. On September 12, NASA announced that they have finally found the location of the Lost probe on the far side of the moon. The Lost probe was launched in June 2009 and it was supposed to land on the moon in November 2009. However, it disappeared from communication with Earth and its last known position was on January 1, 2010. The Lost probe is an acronym for Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter Camera. It is a camera that orbits around the moon to take pictures of its surface which are then sent back to Earth. It has been able to capture images of lunar poles which were not visible before due to them being permanently hidden by shadows from Earth's perspective. This mission has helped scientists learn more about lunar geology and potential landing sites for future missions. The far side of the moon was once thought to be an endless, unchanging landscape, but new evidence suggests that there is a lot more happening on this mysterious side of our only natural satellite than previously thought. The far side of the moon is the lunar hemisphere and always faces away from the Earth. This is in contrast to the near side due to the synchronous rotation of the moon's orbit. Also compared to the near side, the far side's terrain is more rugged, with a multitude of impact craters and relatively few flat and dark lunar maria, seas, which is giving it an appearance closer to other barren places in the solar system such as Mercury and Callisto. It has one of the largest craters in the solar system, the South Pole Aitken Basin. This hemisphere is often called the dark side of the moon, where dark means unknown, instead of lacking sunlight. Both sides of the moon experience 2 weeks of sunlight while the opposite side experiences 2 weeks of night. NASA has been exploring the Earth's moon for decades and now they are finally going to explore the far side of the moon. This is a big deal because we have never seen this side of the moon before. The countdown has begun for Artemis 1, our first step toward a return to the moon, scheduled to launch on August 29th. NASA wants to know more about this side of the moon because it is a different environment than what we are used to seeing. And that's it for today's video. Let us know about your thoughts on the far side of the moon in the comment section below. This is 4-minute videos. Have a great one.